4 gang members were caught on CCTV using a chainsaw as they broke into a Sainsbury's to carry out a £2 million burglary spree before being jailed for 19 years. The organised crime network, described by police officers as a highly professional and brazen, targeted convenience stores, jewellers and electronic shops, smashing through shutters and windows in lightning fast raids that often took place in full view of horrified members of the public. Shocking CCTV footage shows the masked men cutting through metal shutters, storming inside, and ripping and smashing valuable stock from counters before fleeing in stolen high-powered cars. In one chilling detail, police revealed the crooks even stashed their hauls in a churchyard. The network have been linked to more than 100 offences across London and Hertfordshire, but officers believe the true number could be far higher. Please like this video, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.